Imagine never struggling with cold starts again. This silicone heater pad with a built-in 80-degree thermostat is your car's best friend during winter. Simply attach it to your engine's oil pan for consistent, gentle warmth that protects your motor and ensures a smooth start every time. It's efficient, durable, and incredibly easy to install. Scan the QR code in the top right corner to check the price and delivery options. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful car gadgets and smart solutions. Key features: size 125 by 150 millimeters, power 100 watts, voltage 12 volts, includes a thermostat for automatic temperature control.